This is Natalia from Indian Trails Public Library branch. Today we will show you how to prepare two versions of the chicken salad that can serve as great meal options in the summer. I will be making chicken mango avocado salad from Natasha's kitchen. It is loaded with juicy chicken, creamy avocado, crunchy vegetables and sweet pop of mango. And the sweet and tangy honey vinaigrette couldn't be easier to make. Let's start. To prepare this delicious salad, we will need chicken breasts that we would season with garlic powder, pepper and salt, romaine lettuce or any other lettuce that you like, cherry tomatoes, English cucumber, mango, avocado, red onion, and dill or cilantro, and some toasted almonds. I will start by seasoning the cut chicken pieces with salt, pepper and garlic powder, then sauteing them in olive oil over medium-high heat until browned and cooked through, about 3 minutes per side. Then I will remove the chicken from the pan, cool it off for 5 minutes and cut in chunks. Now I will chop the lettuce, cut tomatoes, dice mangoes and avocado, and then chop red onion and dill. Then I will combine everything in a large bowl. Finally, add the chicken on top of the vegetables. To make the honey vinaigrette dressing, I will just combine all ingredients in a bowl and whisk them together. Can't be any easier. I'm using 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1½ tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of honey, half a teaspoon of minced garlic, about half teaspoon of sea salt, and some black pepper to taste. And now I will just chop some toasted almonds and we're almost done. Now to dress the salad, just pour your dressing on top of your vegetables and top them with chopped almonds. Mix it all together and enjoy. It's really delicious.
This is Silveria from Indian Trails Library. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a chicken salad. The ingredients we're gonna be using are 3 cups of pre-cooked shredded chicken, 1 pound of steamed mixed vegetables, 1 green onion fine chopped, 1 stick of celery cut it in small pieces, 2 teaspoons of sour cream, 2 teaspoons of mayo, and 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard. In a medium bowl, mix all your ingredients. And that's how you make this delicious chicken salad. Thank you for watching us.